was a big confliction, but he was one of the freedom fighter who has made a very great support for the freedom of our country. So I think please take the mic.
आगे very good.
Good morning everyone. Today I am presenting a role of great freedom fighter Chandrasekhar Azad. India independence is my aim. India is my country. I can sacrifice my life for my motherland. I will fight with enemies till the last breath of my life. I have been free and I will remain free. Thank you.
I wish you all, bolo.
I wish you.
I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today is 15 August. Thank you.
Thank you, Atif Islam. For
Good morning, everyone. I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I am popularly known as Netaji. I am one of the heroes of India. India struggling. I born as a people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
भूल गया